In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust image opacity in Figma. So whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, stay tuned to get all the details you need in just a few minutes. First, before we dive into adjusting image opacity, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Figma account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. From here, take a moment to locate the file that contains the image you want to modify. Go ahead and click on that file to open it. With your file open, the next step is to select the image you want to adjust. Simply click on it and you'll see it become highlighted, indicating it's been selected. Now let's focus our attention on the right side of the screen. Here you'll see the Design tab, which is where all of our design adjustments will take place. Give that tab a click. Once you're in the Design tab, scroll down until you find the section titled Appearance. It's in this area where you'll see the option for opacity. This feature allows you to modify how transparent or opaque your image appears. When you're ready to make adjustments, you can manipulate the opacity in a couple of ways. You can highlight the percentage value that's currently set, and then use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to incrementally adjust the opacity level. This is handy if you want to see the change in real time and find the perfect level that suits your needs. Alternatively, if you have a specific opacity percentage in mind, you can directly type the new number into the opacity field. Perhaps you want to change the opacity from 100% down to 50%. You'll notice as soon as you make this adjustment, the image on your canvas changes immediately, reflecting the new opacity setting. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily adjust image opacity in Figma, giving you the creative control you need to perfect your designs. It's a simple yet powerful way to tailor your visuals and ensure they align with your project's vision. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with any questions or feedback you have, and subscribe for more helpful design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.